Hello. In this video, we'll take a look at installing Node-RED onto Windows computers. Let's get started. To start the Node-RED installation, we'll go ahead and open up a web browser. In the Google search, we'll just type in Node-RED. You'll see here nodered.org. That's the link we're looking for, so we'll just click on there. Then we'll click on Documentation, Getting Started, Running Locally, and then here. We'll click on this link right here to run on Windows. So the first thing we need to do is install Node.js. We'll click on this link here. We'll use the recommended for most users. And then go ahead and open. Now in the Node.js setup wizard, we'll just click Next. Click on I accept. Click Next. Accept the path default. Accept these defaults. Go ahead and click on Automatically Install the necessary tools. Click Next, and then Install. Now go ahead and click on Finish. Note that this installation will require 3 GB of additional free disk space. And in this Tools window, we'll go ahead and press any key. This is probably going to take a while, so I'll fast forward this part. The installation is now finished, so I'll press Enter to exit. And we need to reboot. Alright, the reboot is complete. I'll open a web browser again. Again, we'll put in Node-RED. So we got Node.js installed. Now we're ready to install Node-RED. So again, we'll go to Documentation, Getting Started, Running Locally, and then Windows. So again, Node.js is now installed. So now we go ahead and install Node-RED. So here's the command line to do that. I'll copy it. And then paste the command in. Press Enter. And this will run for a bit. I'll fast forward this as well. That finished up. So now we can run Node-RED, and we do that by typing node-red, pressing return. So we see servers now running at 127.0.0.1. So we'll open up a web browser, and instead of typing in those numbers, we can just type in localhost and then :1880. And we see Node-RED is running. We'll do a quick test to be sure that this is okay. So we'll add an inject node and a debug node. We'll wire these together. Double click the inject node. We can get rid of this. We'll change this to a string and we'll put in hello world. Click Done, Deploy. Now we'll click on this bug to open the Debug Messages window so we can see the debug output. So now when I click on this button, we see we get Hello World. That wraps it up for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay creative.